Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialyou.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Instagram released a brand new feature called Join Chat. You can use this feature, or it's a sticker on Instagram stories. So you can use this sticker to create your own chat group. So inside this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, how to use that sticker, and also what's the importance of the sticker for your business. So here I am logged into my Instagram. So now let's go to the stories, and I'm just gonna take a quick picture. And let's change the background color. There you go, that's much better. And then if you hit the sticker icon, and here is the chat. So what's this chat? So let's talk about new Instagram updates. That's it. And then you can also change the color right here. So look at this. Ooh, look at that. And that's it. When you hit your stories or you can send it to your close friends, or you can send it to your stories, and then people or your audience will be able to request to join the chat. Let me actually show you, because I've already done this. So I'm going to discard this. Let's go to my stories, and I want to show you. So here's the one that I did a little while ago to get it ready for this video. So I just said testing new features, join me for this test chat, join chat. And if I scroll up, you'll see the couple of people have requested. So here are different people who have requested to join the chat. So you can start the chat with all of them, or you can pick, let's say if you do not want to include someone, you can do that as well. So once you hit start chat, it's just gonna create a DM, and I'm just gonna hey, thanks for testing this new feature with me. There you go. And if you see that IR icon or information icon on top, when you click on that, it's just gonna give you more information about this group. You can do a lot of these things here. You can mute messages, mute mentions. You can also do video chats. Wow, that's awesome. And you can also, if more people request, you can accept or reject them, so to speak, from here. And then you can end chat or leave the chat from here. Now, the big question is, why should you care about this? Or what's the use cases for these Instagram chat features in the stories? Well, first of all, imagine if you're a small business and you have a small team, you can create a group for your team member, and then you can communicate with each other. And you can also create engagement pods with your team member. By the way, if you're not sure what engagement pods are, leave me a comment and I can create some videos to let you know, or to give you more details about the engagement pods on Instagram. Also, if you are a brand and let's say you work with different influencers, you can create a chat group with different influencers, and then keep everyone on the same page about your campaigns. You can also create chat groups for your loyal fans or customers, and then share exclusive deals. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do with this new feature. I kind of like this update or this new feature from Instagram. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also hit the bell icon so you get a notification when I launch my next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.